Hello everybody, welcome back to Algebra. In today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about number lines and inequalities. Now, number lines are something that you're going to have come across in previous math classes, and probably inequalities as well. But in algebra, we're going to do something a little bit different with them. They're going to be a little bit more complex, obviously. But for the most part, we're just going to stick with the basics to start off. So in our first inequalities episode here, we've got some basic inequalities just to kind of remind you what they are and how they work. So here we've got x is less than 3, and so we've got a number line below here, and what we're going to have to do is find the point where our number line where we're going to start. And since we have 3 there, we're going to have to put something on 3 for our inequality. Now, as you can look at the symbol here, this symbol does not have a line underneath it. That means that it does not include 3. So to symbolize that, we're going to draw a circle around 3, and then we're going to shade the arrow going this way because x is less than 3. Here's another example. Down here, we've got an arrow that's already shaded and no inequality. Sometimes you're going to be asked to write the inequality that matches the picture that you're given. Now see here, we've got a dot that's been shaded in. That shaded in dot means that that number is included. So that means we're going to have to write a different kind of symbol. So first of all, we're going to write x because that's what we're looking for. We're talking about numbers on this number line that match what it does. And now we need to figure out what symbol it is. Obviously, right, because this arrow is shaded in, we're going this way on our number line, and that's the greater than side. So we're going to make a greater than symbol. And because the dot is filled in, that means the number there is included. So we have to write a line underneath it to show that it is included in the inequality. Finally, we need to put the number that's on this inequality, on this number line in. So if we count, we've got -1, -2, -3. So the answer would be x is greater than or equal to -3. Fantastic. I've got 2 more examples over here of basic inequalities in number lines. Sorry, I'm sitting on the ground. I had to scoot a little bit. So we've got x is greater than 2. So the first thing we need to do is find 2 on our number line, which is right here. And because it's just a greater than symbol, not greater than or equal to, we've got a circle there. And it says it's greater than 2, so that means we're going to be filling in on the greater than side. And that's our number line for that inequality. On our other example, we've got a filled in inequality here. So we're going to start off by writing x. And we can see that it's filled in going to the left. So that means it's a less than. So we're going to do that. We're going to take a look at our dot. The dot is filled in, so we need a line underneath. And we need to figure out what number it is. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 is our number. So we're going to do that. X is less than or equal to -4. When we come back to inequalities, we'll be doing some that are a little bit harder. But for now, this is all we need to know. Thank you so much for watching this video about inequalities. We'll see you next time.